Hi, this is Matt Bernstein from Low Cost Hustle, and today we are going to talk about my earnings off of eBay through my e-commerce website. And these are PayPal payments that I've received. And as you can see, for this past year, I've received $213,000 in sales with customers who've paid through PayPal. And what you're looking at now is payments that were made off of eBay, off of PayPal, and people who use credit card. And I set up a merchant account through Bank of America, and those gross amount of payments that were made to me that I received, and the amount that customers paid me and the amount that I've received is $104,000. So if you add up $104,000 with $213,000, you would get approximately $317,000 in sales for this past calendar year. And again, this is on my e-commerce website. This is off of eBay, not including eBay sales. Thank you so much for listening. This was Matt Bernstein with Low Cost Hustle.